The voiceover was done with VoiceMaker text-to-speech software. Link is in the description. So here I have made a basic movement in Unity. Firstly, let's make a new script for the slow motion. Remove the start function as we won't be using it. Let's get some input to trigger the slow motion. For that, type if input.getKey, left shift. And inside it type time.timescale equals 0.05. Head back into Unity and assign the script to the player. Let's test it. It's working, but the slow motion is not smooth and it isn't turning off at key release. Firstly, to smooth the slow motion, under the time.timescale type time.fixaDeltaTime equals 0.02 times time.timescale. After that, to turn the slow motion off at key release, for that after the if statement, type else, and inside it type in time.timescale equals 1. Let's test it. It's working and it's really smooth. Thanks for watching, and a special thanks to voicemaker.in for some awesome text-to-speech. Link is in the description. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next video, bye bye.